Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see a Steam game's price history. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to steamdb.info. This is a third-party website that tracks detailed information about Steam games, including their pricing history across different regions and time periods. It's an incredibly useful tool if you're trying to decide whether to buy a game now or wait for a better deal during an upcoming sale. Once the website loads, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in the name of the game you want to check. After entering the game's name, press enter to search. The website will then display a list of results matching your search query. From the search results that appear, click on the game you're looking for. This will take you to the game's dedicated page, which contains all sorts of detailed information about it, including player counts, ratings, and most importantly for our purposes, its complete pricing history. Now scroll down on this page until you find the section labeled Steam Price History. This section displays the pricing information you're looking for. Before diving into the details, you have the option to customize your view by changing the currency. In the right panel, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your preferred currency from the available list. This is particularly helpful if you want to see prices in your local currency rather than the default US dollars. Once you've set your preferred currency, you'll immediately see two key pieces of information: the current price of the game and the lowest recorded price it has ever been. This gives you a quick snapshot of whether the game is currently at a good price or if it's been cheaper in the past. If the current price matches the lowest recorded price, that's usually a great indicator that now might be the perfect time to make your purchase. If you want to see more detailed information about how the price has fluctuated over time, scroll down a bit further until you find the history graph. This visual representation shows you exactly how the price has changed throughout the game's lifetime on Steam. You can see when sales occurred, how deep the discounts were, and identify patterns in pricing such as seasonal sales or special promotions. This graph is especially useful for predicting when the next sale might happen or determining if the game frequently goes on discount. And there you have it. You now know how to track a Steam game's price history and make smarter purchasing decisions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.